if you can hear noise in the background, that is him. I apologise for that.
So first of all, it doesn't work too well with the computers that we have. So we are altering it to work with the Raspberry Pi. We do have the case off of the machine so that I can show you the components. The Raspberry Pi is
Connected to the monitor here, which we would use the keyboard and the mouse
to control. We altered this by including the Arduino shield
with 3 stepper motor drivers on.
The stepper motor drivers would control the stepper motors here. We have also included limit switches. Now, the limit switches are on the X, Y and Z axis. X would be moving this way, so this one's the X. Y is moving this way, so that's the Y. And Z even will be moving up and down.
We don't know too much about CNCs at the moment, however we are learning as we build. It has been one of our bigger projects, which also includes a 3D printer which we started way before the CNC machine, however half the parts haven't arrived yet. So we're focusing more on this machine. This round thing here is a transformer. Transformer connects up to the power supply board here, which connects to the Arduino here, which in turn connects to the spindle. Well, this has been a very brief overview of the CNC machine. Unfortunately, we cannot show it running since the Raspberry Pi and the monitor aren't quite friends yet. I hope you've enjoyed this little overview of our CNC as it stands at the moment. Thank you. Goodbye.